I'm Catherine, a healthcare support worker at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. Healthcare support workers change lives every day by supporting patients on their journey back to health. There are over 30 different types of healthcare support worker roles in the NHS. There really is something for everyone. I decided to join the NHS some years ago after I was made redundant. And having worked in customer service roles for many years previously, I still wanted to work with people. However, I wanted to provide a more personal and patient-focused service to the people in my community. I therefore started work in a care home and then progressed into the NHS from there. My day starts with assisting patients with personal care and ensuring their needs are met. I love working with different patients and find my role extremely rewarding. My colleagues are hardworking and caring, and they give their everything, ensuring a high standard of care for our patients. I stay in my current role because I love being able to help people, and I'm proud to be part of the wonderful NHS. 3 words I would use to describe my workplace: efficient, organised and unique. We are the NHS. Choose healthcare support worker.